It's day 10 of building a marketing system for home service businesses. Today, we're focusing on one of the most important part of our system, direct messaging. Crafting a strategic outreach script will help you turn your connections into clients. Outreach doesn't have to feel pushy or overwhelming. With a clear and thoughtful strategy, you can create a script that is not only personal and professional, but also effective to turn your engagement into real relationships. Today, I'm sharing how to strategically use your scripts to turn those engagements into conversations and conversations into booked appointments through your social media channels. Start with a personal touch. You can mention where you found them, how you know them. The key is to keep it simple and as human as possible. You can do this in few different ways. One is you can simply let them know that you are looking to grow your network and you want to connect with like-minded individuals. Second, you can start complimenting on their posts and content and let them know that how much inspired you are by their content or how much you love what they've been posting. You can also do this by providing any insights on certain things that you might have an expertise on and they might not. Once you break the ice, you can slowly transition your conversation in a way that it doesn't feel pushy, and you can slowly start offering a solution to any problem that they might have that you can help with. Now, you can do this in few different ways. You can be direct. Hey, I do this and would you want this service? Next, you can do this by simply trying to see if they have a problem. Once you know that they have a problem, you can start offering your services. The easy way is asking them directly after you've built that rapport. Else, you can always keep building that conversation and start transitioning and start figuring out if they actually need your help. That is more on a high level approach, but if you have someone working for you, if you don't have the right people working for you, then you can directly just do the direct approach and it will probably work for you. Else, you might want to do a different approach, which is figuring out what kind of problem your clients are facing and then see if you can add value to those problems and help them fix that problem. And always remember to book a call. Your goal in the DM is to book a call or meet in person, not to sell right away. Always book a call for an estimate, always schedule for something so that it's not a direct sale, but a stress-free, no obligation appointment where they can just come to you or you can go to them and talk to them and see if you can add value to your customers. If you want the exact script that we use for our clients to help them get more jobs and leads, click the link below and join my private community and let me know that you want that script and I will send it your way. Tomorrow, we're building up on this and sharing the best practices for staying consistent and following up effectively. See you then.